How is Octave unleashing intelligence at scale for life sciences and pharmaceuticals? By using data to empower sector leaders to transform complexity into clarity. Rising costs, tighter regulations, shaky supply chains. Today's organizations are battling nonstop pressure to deliver flawless quality. And achieving this with disconnected data and manual processes? Impossible. That's where Octave steps in, helping teams cut through complexity and keep breakthrough science moving without the bottlenecks. We connect your entire life cycle, from R&D design to manufacturing and scale-up, to quality, maintenance, and ongoing operations. All powered by real-time intelligence that boosts reliability and speed, strengthens compliance and traceability, eliminates silos and manual rework, and helps teams spot risk before they hit production. With Octave, everyone from scientists to operators to leadership works from a shared source of truth. Faster decisions, fewer deviations, safer products delivered on time. In an industry where precision saves lives, Octave turns your data into a competitive advantage, fueling smarter processes, stronger performance, and high-confidence production. Octave, unleashing intelligence at scale.